What's up, guys? So a lot has happened in the last 24 hours for Team WPI. We've been super productive. We've built and finalized the design of pretty much every single part for the final robot. We'll only have to do a few more machinings for some of the plates. Our biggest concern coming into day 3 is everything working together. Everything has been tested individually, but we haven't put everything all in one unit. So
hey, my name is Max. I'm going to talk about our elevator system, which doubles as our cube intake and our climber. So it's made from the Robotics extrusion here, which is basically a variation of 80-20, which uses these bearing holders and then these V bearings to slide up and down. We have it in a 2-stage configuration. So the first stage is currently being finalized, but it will go between these 2 plates, and that will hold our cube intake. And then, so that rides on this inner stage. As this lifts up, eventually once this stage gets to the top, the other one will start lifting up too. And then on this stage is our climbing mechanism. So we're going to climb by raising up this all the way, hooking onto the bar, and then pulling down, and we're going to have some hooks that pivot over this to hold us in place so we can stay on top on the bar. Our winch drum mechanism is a gearbox and drum that's kind of integrated into the chassis. It uses 2 775 Pros for versaplanetaries, which are geared together to one central drum, which spools this rope, which is what we're using to pull it up and down. And we have it powered up and down because that's necessary for actually climbing the bar.
Hi, I'm Dan. I'm a sophomore here at WPI. I'm going to be talking about our drivetrain. It's a 6-wheel 4-sim West Coast drive. It's totally easy to manufacture. We did all commercial off-the-shelf parts. We ended up slotting so that we can adjust where our wheels are. The entire piece can slide back and forth. It's great for chain tension, but because we used the Vex clamp-on gearboxes, we didn't need to do any press fits. You could just totally hit it with a hole saw too. Totally easy to do at home. This is great too because there's a huge margin for error. We can adjust if anything were to have gone wrong. We originally planned on using 4-inch wheels, but we ended up going with 6-inch wheels for clearance purposes when you get up to the scale. You should probably use a better gear reduction than this, only because you'll increase your torque, and for a strategic game like this, defense is huge.
So as we pass into day 3, we still have some work to do. Our primary focus for day 3 will be to finish the robot's code, finish all the small parts we have to do. We also need to check to test all the mechanisms together and run the robot finally. So check out our blog for more details. It's www.wpiroboticsclub.org. It's going to be somewhere right above my head. And follow us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/WPI Robotics Club. We also have some videos coming up that it's going to be talking about the individual mechanisms and going more in depth and seeing how they work. That's going to be on our YouTube channel. To find that, you can go to youtube.wpiroboticsclub.org. See you guys tomorrow.